Hey guys, a very warm welcome to RovitaS. Today, we'll try to replace a tiny amount of chemical from our home by making some green space. Well, everybody wants their space to shine bright and smell amazing, right? I personally am a huge fan of essential oils, so let's use some of them in today's DIY. For the first DIY, we require dark colored glass bottle, witch hazel, lavender essential oil, chamomile essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, and clean water. Fill 1/4 of the bottle with witch hazel and the remaining with water. Add 8 to 10 drops of lavender and eucalyptus essential oils. Also add 5 drops of chamomile essential oil if you want to use this as a pillow spray before sleeping. Always remember to use dark glass containers whenever using essential oils to prevent any deterioration due to sunlight and protect their aromatic and relaxing properties. We have used witch hazel cause it has antibacterial properties. Also, it helps to combine oil and water and makes the scent linger for a longer period of time. Next DIY is a multi-purpose surface cleaner for which you need a dark colored glass bottle, lemon essential oil, vinegar, and clean water. Fill half the container with vinegar and the remaining half with water. Add 4 to 5 drops of essential oil. You can also add thin slices of lemon to the water and vinegar solution and keep it overnight. This solution is a great disinfectant and a deodorizer. It very effectively cleans the kitchen countertops and the cooktops. So let's try and make our spaces more clean and green. Tell us your version of a green home in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to RovitaS for many more upcoming videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.